Learn how to connect the hardware with the Festo Valve Control Module, VAEM-V. We are starting with the interface ports. On the far left side, you will find the status LED that will let you know the current status during use. For establishing connection, you have the choice of either an RS232 cable or an Ethernet connection. The port labelled X3 is the RS232 cable port, and the port labelled X2 is the Ethernet port. On the far right is the power supply connection, labelled as X1. There are two terminal sides for connecting the valves. The X5 terminal is for valves 1 to 4, and the X6 terminal is for valves 5 to 8. The switching position X4 is only needed with the RS232 connection. Depending on the position, different baud rates can be chosen. Note: there is an order of connecting the valves to X5 and X6 terminals. In the X5 terminal at valve location 1, plus cable must be inserted first, then the minus cable. In the X6 terminal at valve location 5, minus cable is inserted first, then plus cable is inserted. These are the main Festo solenoid valves compatible with the VAEM-V. However, please note that the VYKA and VYKC valves must be selected without integrated electronics or e-box. X1 has 5 ports for a power supply connection. For operation, only a ground connection is needed on the device, the ground trigger input or the ground power supply. Nevertheless, the ground of the trigger pulse generator must be connected to a ground of the VAEM-V. Apply nominal voltage to the product once. All the valves, communication cable, power supply is connected and baud rate is set. Establish and parameterize a communication connection once the LED is green. For further assistance with the installation and parameterization of the valves with the VAEM-V, several application notes are available on the Festo support portal. These are some of the examples that can be found.